Tired of keeping your hard-earned Bitcoin locked away on an exchange? Let's move it to your secure external wallet. First, you'll need to have your Bitcoin readily available within your Moonpay account. Once you're logged in, locate the Bitcoin you wish to send. You'll typically find a send or withdraw option associated with your Bitcoin balance. Now, the crucial step, your external wallet's receiving address. Open your chosen cryptocurrency wallet app or hardware device within your wallet. Find the receive or deposit function for Bitcoin. This will display your unique Bitcoin address, often accompanied by a scannable QR code. Back in Moonpay, carefully paste your external wallet's receiving address into the designated field. Double-checking this address is paramount. A single typo can lead to irreversible loss of funds. For added security, you can use the QR code scanner if your wallet app provides that functionality. Next, specify the exact amount of Bitcoin you want to transfer. Moonpay will usually show you the network transaction fee, also known as the gas fee, required to process the transaction. Review this fee and the total amount you're sending. Before finalizing anything, take a moment to confirm all the transaction details on the confirmation screen. Ensure the recipient address, the amount, and the network fee are all accurate. Once you're confident, click the confirm or send button. Your request is now submitted to the Bitcoin network. Depending on network congestion, it might take a few minutes to several hours for the transaction to be fully confirmed and appear in your external wallet. You can usually track the status of your transaction within Moonpay or directly on a blockchain explorer using the transaction ID. And there you have it. Your Bitcoin is now securely stored in your external wallet, giving you complete control over your digital assets. Remember to always practice good digital hygiene and keep your wallet's private keys safe.